Hi everyone, my name is John Papa. Welcome to my Pluralsight course, Creating Asynchronous TypeScript Code. This course gently introduces you to how you can write asynchronous code with TypeScript following async practices with callbacks, promises, and the async await pattern. By the end of this course, you'll be able to apply asynchronous coding patterns as you develop with TypeScript. Some of the major topics that we will cover include identifying asynchronous code, where you'll encounter the three most common async code patterns, callback functions, promises, and async await, how to respond to and create callback functions, how to chain promises, passing values, and fulfill or reject your promises, learning how to write async code that behaves like synchronous code using the async await pattern. Throughout the course, you'll be learning these concepts and more, and be well on your way to building async code with TypeScript in your applications. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with JavaScript, but you don't have to be an expert by any means. Please join me on this journey to learn asynchronous coding with the Creating Asynchronous TypeScript Code course on Pluralsight. We hope you enjoy it.